Unlike many pro forma invoices that are created using a canned template spreadsheet, the H.C. Bennett version is more comprehensive and detailed. The goal is for the seller to land the foreign buyer's business. This pro forma is built from the perspective of the buyer in addressing the buyer's concerns. Typically, the HCB pro forma is 3 pages long. Similar to the spreadsheet template format, the heading contains basic information pertaining to the prospective transaction. More detail of the line items is provided. The intent is to give the prospective buyer a thorough review of what items are being purchased. To clearly illustrate how the bottom line shipping cost was calculated, the H.C. Bennett format organizes shipment cost by category. For instance, the breakdown of the destination costs are grouped and summarized in the grand total breakdown. Adding to the X works value of the goods coincides with the Incoterms of delivery being offered. In this example, the seller is responsible for all costs to ship the cargo to Manchester and clear UK customs. An interesting feature explores a what if the Incoterms were changed scenario. For example, what should the offering cost be if this UK project example terms were changed from DDP Manchester to FOB Baltimore? HCB simply changes the pro forma Incoterms from DDP to FOB and then changes the delivery place from Manchester to Baltimore. The DDP Manchester terms compared to the FOB terms through this illustration. Under FOB terms, the seller would not be responsible to include the main carriage, destination, and insurance premium costs. As pointed out in the user input demo, the configuration of how the order will be shipped is most likely not finalized at the time the pro forma invoice is created. A reasonable estimate is used instead. Shipping costs can be justified knowing the manner in which the cargo is shipped. In our pro forma demo number 3, we discussed the details that could be included in the pro forma that are in addition to the cost breakdown. In this example, all of the probable categories are illustrated. Only those clauses or points that may require clarification need to be shown here. This added information can address concerns the prospective buyer may have and provide a more transparent presentation. This concludes the 4th and final demo of the Forma Maker. Armed with a thorough and professionally presented pro forma invoice, the seller should have added confidence in winning the business from the foreign buyer. Getting the forwarder, H.C. Bennett Company, involved at this stage of the prospective sale can pay dividends in obtaining the business and address possible shipping and documentation issues that may occur when the proposal becomes a firm order.